Hey friends, ready for some real English with a funny news story? Recently, Russia's own refinery near Moscow got hit again. Let's laugh at their epic fail. Normal speed shadowing. Repeat after me. Recently, Russia's own refinery near Moscow was hit again. Recently, Russia's own refinery near Moscow was hit again. Ukrainian drones easily reach the target. Ukrainian drones easily reach the target. Russian air defense failed completely. Russian air defense failed completely. They bombed their own facility by mistake. They bombed their own facility by mistake. This is another embarrassing failure for Putin's army. This is another embarrassing failure for Putin's army. The fire lit up the sky near the capital. The fire lit up the sky near the capital. Ukraine keeps striking deep inside Russia. Ukraine keeps striking deep inside Russia. Russian defenses look weak and useless. Russian defenses look weak and useless. Everyone is laughing at this epic self-own. Everyone is laughing at this epic self-own. It shows Ukraine is clearly winning the sky. It shows Ukraine is clearly winning the sky. Great job! You sounded really good. Now let's make it more casual, like chatting with a friend. Repeat after me and keep it natural. Upgrade it retelling, listen and shadow me. This is just too funny. This is just too funny. Ukrainian drones flew in like it was nothing. Ukrainian drones flew in like it was nothing. Russian air defense? Total joke. Sleeping as usual. Russian air defense? Total joke. Sleeping as usual. What a pathetic self-own. What a pathetic self-own. Look at that huge fire lighting up the sky. Look at that huge fire lighting up the sky. Pure embarrassment. Pure embarrassment. Ukraine is owning the skies, while Russia keeps failing hard. Ukraine is owning the skies, while Russia keeps failing hard. I can't stop laughing at their weak excuses. I can't stop laughing at their weak excuses. This shows everyone who's really winning. This shows everyone who's really winning. Keep it up, Ukraine. You're legends. Keep it up, Ukraine. You're legends. Russia, just give up already. Russia, just give up already. That's it for today's practice. Russia's embarrassing mistake makes great English practice. Hit like if you enjoyed the laugh, subscribe for more fun shadowing, and see you soon. Keep practicing and stay winning.